out of the editor. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about is how to customize this header and also how to adjust your blog page and also blog posts. So here at the top, you'll see this customize button. Go ahead and click on this, and this is going to open up the theme customizer. Now the Blocksy theme customizer is very robust, but I'll just give you a quick crash course. Here we have the header, and this is essentially a header builder. This allows you to customize and design your header and even add background colors, add in elements, and so on and so forth. For example, here we have a button element. I can take this and just drag it anywhere. Here I'll put it next to the social. And then here we have this button. Now obviously these socials right here, they're kind of squished, so we can actually make a new row. So here at the top, I'll make a new row. And now we have this row here at the top. Now for every element, you can click on the element and then there's styling options. So here for the social, you can add in more, more social websites like Facebook or LinkedIn or whatever else. And then there's also a bunch of other options for each specific elements. You can also click on the design tab and fully design the color and style of each element on your header. Now, if you click on the logo right here, you can also upload your own logo. You can adjust the logo heights. So this essentially allows you to add in your own logo. Now going back here. So feel free to actually move these around any which way you want. Now for each row, you can actually change the color. So for example, for this top row, we can actually give it like a black. So here we actually can change the structure first. We can change the minimum heights, make it smaller or larger. But over here for design, we can just give it like a background color. We can give it a gradient if you want to get like really crazy, but I'm just going to give it like a fat black right here. And we can always add in more elements here at the top, like for example, a search icon, right? So I think that's pretty good. So this is how you can fully customize your header. Now also we have this menu. This menu is actually being pulled from the backend, and I'll show you exactly how to create menus and pages in just a bit. But here you can select different types. You can adjust the spacing. You can even stretch the menu as well if you want to go that route. You can even convert this into a hamburger menu if you don't want a very large menu. And for the design options, this is where you can change the color and also the item background color and a bunch of other styling options. So on your own free time, feel free to explore the header and customize it to your liking. It's pretty self-explanatory. After using it for probably just like a few minutes, you'll definitely get the hang of it. So let's go ahead and go back now and then click on publish. So I want to save all those changes. All right, cool. Now let's click on the news tab. Okay.